right, it's Friday, September 22nd, just following up on the SPY. You can see now it has worked its way up and taken out that liquidity up here. So this is a key moment. Those options bought the 430 calls at 543. They're up to like 575. So here you scale out and set up a no-risk trade type of thing and just see what happens. I'm not, necessarily convinced you're going to get some kind of big reversal day, although anything's possible. We have an inside day here after this exhaustion risk, and we could be heading up a little higher into the top of the range. But this is kind of the key. Again, the main thing is the only, opportunity that I saw after this big bar went up is that we were likely, going to take out some liquidity before possibly moving lower. And there is a chance, you can move up into, yesterday's range up here. And who knows if you get some kind of big reversal. There's gaps to fill and everything. I'm not necessarily anticipating that, but you never know for sure. So just the opening price action, we're taking out this liquidity. Let's monitor what happens here at no risk right now and just see if we can maybe get a push up, a push down, a push up, an orderly pullback, and a second push up this morning for that type of trade if we can get through this area without, failing. But again, it's not the type of day where you're really looking to do all that much given just the scenario. There's no really actionable signal here or anything else, but it's just the type of thing where I discussed on the recap video yesterday. After exhaustion risk, sometimes you got to see stops taken out to the upside before it may head lower. And we might have to get some kind of 2 up and 2 down daily chart into next week before that even happens. Maybe we rally a little bit further than that. So given that, logic and given the opening price action here, I just assumed we were going to take out the pre-market highs right out of the gates and then kind of see what happens from there. It sort of sets the intraday structure up at the moment on the day until we get to kind of the halfway point of that first bar and really get below it and look like we're going to attack the lows of the day. Then we can be, maybe we can reverse completely and get down to yesterday's red bar low. But for now, it's just this is a kind of an inflection point. We'll see what happens. But that was the logic on the SPY trade this morning, just buying it given the first 3 bars.